Hello! Today I will be walking you through the setup process for the YAC-08Cool portable air conditioner from ZAFRO. Setup is pretty simple and requires no extra tools beyond some scissors and a tape measure. Everything else is included in the box, so let's take a look. These are the parts included in the box: the main AC unit, an exhaust hose, ceiling foam, a set of adjustable window panels, a remote control with batteries and a bracket, a drainage hose for the dehumidifier mode, and a set of butterfly bolts. The first thing we need to do is measure our window frame so that we can properly assemble our window panels. As you can see, this window is just over 28 inches in length. Referring to this chart from the manual, we can see that we will only require panels A and B for this particular setup. Your own installation may require fewer or more panels depending on the length of your window frame. We will now use those butterfly bolts to connect each panel to each other. In those holes where the panels will be overlapping, insert the thread of your butterfly bolt. When you slide the panels together, you need to make sure that the long flat back of the bolt slides into the center slot of the other panel. After doing this, you may fasten the washer and butterfly nut to the bolt, but don't tighten it completely. Measure, cut, and place the foam strips along the bottom of the window frame to help seal off gaps and improve efficiency of the unit. Place the assembled window panels into the frame of the window. Slide the panels to fill the width of the opening, fasten by tightening the butterfly bolts, and close the window to complete the seal. You may choose to use the adhesive foam along the other edges of the window to create a better seal. Align and push the exhaust hose into the window panel until you hear it click. You may need to push this latch to lock the hose into the panel completely. Extend the hose and slide it into the back of the AC unit. Ensure there's at least about 18 inches of space between the AC and the wall, and minimize the number of bends in the exhaust hoses to optimize airflow. Once plugged in, you're ready to go. You can operate with or without the remote. Power on, adjust the temperature, switch through modes, adjust the fan speed. This unit offers cooling, fan only, and dehumidifier modes along with adjustable fan speeds. And that's all there is to it. With this easy breezy setup, your YAC-08Cool from ZAFRO should have your space cooling in no time.